shop today. Schwab's here, and the rest of the boys are coming in a little bit, and we're gonna do a little bit of a update video. Just kind of hanging, goofing. A lot of stuff's been changing, a lot of stuff's been going on, and I have released nothing.
Can't check my stats, man. They got no fucking service.
Damn.
Can't even use a data out here, dude. Out here in the wilderness.
Welcome to the boonies, mate.
Yeah, at least I can still FR it up.
Sounds like the lads are here.
I gotta let the cool car park next to the cool car. He's coming.
Who's coming?
The 240 God.
Oh,
240 God's on his way. I feel famous. Can I put it behind the Z?
Yeah.
Oh, hell yeah.
Oh,
For a while.
Jed got the planner, man.
The planner, dude.
Now we can plan all the dirt spins we're gonna
So we
pass.
can start.
I have a bigger one if you want it.
Oh, it's got dates and everything.
I couldn't. This
So
was
we know
the biggest
exactly
one.
what dates we're gonna miss.
Yeah.
Oh, it's a calendar.
Yeah, this is the biggest one they had it.
So you guys should get whiteboards for each one of your builds.
We should. That's a good one. I just
would be
wanted to have a
nice.
nice calendar. I bought this like summertime because I was like, oh, we can mark down the dates so that hopefully we can try and get to them on time. Well, we didn't have it, so we missed all the events we were supposed to go to.
No, we didn't. We made a lot of events, dude.
No, we did make all of them.
Yo, I don't know. Did we miss? I missed a
No,
one or two.
No, you didn't
but
miss any. I don't think.
I
You
skipped
just
out on one. I know.
a Peaks event. We made all the ones that we were.
Bad habit
That were
of just
important.
Showing up.
Yeah, James is always there, dude. There's a drift event. James is there.
Well, look at his car. He's got like 1,200 stickers on his windshield.
Yeah, dude.
This is a lift.
I think it's split. I think I just need a fucking.
No events because we suck.
This,
It's the true facts. It
uh,
is the true facts.
that is true.
Yeah.
Yeah. What are you doing?
Okay, so the other night we got this thing in the shop. This is a blacktop S13 SR20.
You can tell by the fins.
Shout out to Corey Judson.
Yeah, Corey told us that.
We pulled out of apparently underwater at Pat's Acres, and so I went to pull the. It was like, oh, I'll pull the valve cover off. Start there. Well, we got most of them off. There was two of these just spun. I would show you, but this one's about to come off, I think. But yeah, we're just trying to pop those guys off, and then hopefully we'll see how gnarly it is in here, because I know the top end's pretty fucking wet.
Yeah, the cams are definitely super rusty. You can see them
Yeah.
through the top of the valve cover, but it's,
We're hoping the bottom end's pretty sealed though, because what I was told was that this thing was pretty freshly rebuilt before it got pulled out of the car. Granted, I don't know for sure. That's just.
it looks very nice. Like the side of it, it's not. There's no oil.
No,
Like,
the
it's
rear
pretty
main
clean.
looks fucking super good. You can't
Yep.
really see, but the rear main never looked like it was leaking much, and it looks very clean.
Yeah.
So that's good.
This SR is going into this FC right here.
Yes.
Jed's machine, dude.
Yes. You know, it might be a while, but we'll see. I'm gonna not fucking do stuff.
You're
dumb.
gonna get it done quick, dude.
Hopefully. I just don't want to do it like an idiot. So hopefully everything can be done as good as possible. Look at that. Did you get that?
No,
Dude,
I
that
missed
thing
it.
just
Aw.
spread right open.
Spread eagle. Dude.
As long as you don't do it like
There
me,
you
you'll be
go.
That's how
fine.
you get it off.
Yeah, as long as you don't project like Michael, you're good.
Yeah, I think in next month it'll be year 3. Yeah.
Year 3, car 2.
This is an ecosystem.
It looks gorgeous though.
I gotta wipe it down. But thanks. Yeah, I just like.
Are you sticking with the big turbo?
Yeah.
Big power guy.
Yeah, I will see how it goes. No, I gotta do a couple of things and it'll run and drive. It's just like
Just a couple things.
get the gun. I mean, you know how it goes. But
Yeah, shoot it.
ideally, I'll
Another
hang
6
around.
months of work.
Yeah, honestly. See, and that's why I don't want to work on it because I'm like, I know how much work has to go into this thing.
Just start chipping away at it, dude. The time will pass. It'll be done before you know it.
Ready?
Yeah, are you ready?
No.
Let's pop the top.
That's not too bad.
We just
Watch
dumped all
those.
our-
Don't let them go in the engine. That is not too fucking bad, dude.
Yo, what kind of?
Yo, that's actually.
Yo, yeah, what is that? Yo, what's going on there, dude?
Got a little slug.
That's stuff. That's all. Oh, that's the ceiling
Dude,
from these.
it's
These are,
technology, dude. We got some technology
so,
right
You want to
there.
know what? That's just water.
It's mud.
It's not that bad, actually.
That might have just
Not a
been
whole
what
lot.
was in the underneath the coil packs.
Yeah.
Oh, we're on the hole right there. Go back a little.
I'm gonna start
Is it
cracking
Gretty
oil
that
pan.
makes the fucking gangster thing for this?
the oil pan?
Yeah.
Yeah, Gretty
I think
makes
there's a
a nice
couple
oil pan,
people.
but they're all front sump.
Oh, you need a rear sump?
I need a rear sump.
Oh,
Yeah, I need a rear
rip.
sump, and then I need to modify the rear sump. So like, because most of the rear sumps they make,
RX-7s
they're back
are
here, and they're pretty good. Like they're not super deep. But I even then need to clearance it and move it like almost like the sump is gonna
Has
be a
this swap been
giant
done before?
thing right here. Yes.
Okay.
Yeah.
Good.
No, it works.
Jed just took the oil pan off the SR20.
It's off. I never realized there's a kangaroo number 4. This is a kangaroo number 4 cradle. Look, isn't that a kangaroo? That's got to be a kangaroo. What else would that be?
It's a kangaroo number 4. Holy shit.
It's a 4B, dude. Anyway, so obviously this was our first site because we pulled this guy off. This is the sump because and this was on the oil pan. Pretty gross, pretty bad. We lost a lot of hope there.
Yeah.
And then the little view that we did have was of the rotating assembly down here.
It's pretty difficult to see, but there's a little bit of rust.
Yeah.
On the on the crank itself. James and Schwab just got Little Caesars. Everyone's been eating some pizza. I'm working on taking the JZ intake off because the wiring harness is not being cool. It doesn't want to come out, and I need to take the intake off anyway. James, are you doing clutch stuff?
Slave cylinder.
Slave cylinder. Yeah, James just put a new transmission in this car. It's RB20 240. No one, you should show your car, dude. James has like the nicest car out of everybody here. James has the most gorgeous dash. Rocking the 180SX seats. He's got Quentin's old bride seat from the 240.
It's got an engine.
And this thing is gorgeous, dude. Beautiful bay with the RB20.
It do the thing.
It do everything. Yeah, this thing gets down. But James just did a new transmission. Needs to bleed again.
Yeah. Second. It doesn't like second. Hopefully it's not a synchro. I'd really not like to take it back out. And tear it down.
Did you end up getting a transmission or did you do the KA?
No, I bought a transmission. It popped up like 5 hours before I was gonna go do it. So I was like, oh, let me just go buy this so I can just R&R it.
Keep on. J-pipe's off, intake's off. Jay-Z's pretty much done with for the day. I'm gonna be painting these guys in another video and we'll be putting it back on the Jay-Z, just freshening shit up.
Look at that.
Jed's over here, just about to pull the second cam out of the SR.
Yeah, it's loose. I gotta get around that fucking. There we go. So this exhaust cam, which actually, now that I'm looking at it, is not that bad at all. I mean, it's not usable anymore. It'd have to be like reground and remachined, but where it is still good. I mean, there's no scoring.
Yeah, it's pretty good where it is.
It's pretty good. This cam is in, I think, a little worse shape. It's got
That one's got more rust on it.
It's got heavy pitting on the lobes on the top side. But anyway, Yeah, so now I gotta start
things
pulling.
up here.
Not too bad. There's some surface rust, you know, where it was sitting, but on this one at least, or no, one of these, I was messing with it, and it seemed like all that shit just wiped off. I don't want to wipe it too hard because I don't want to scratch it.
Yeah, it looks all right.
But
aside from the can,
it needs to be all cleaned up and shit. But I think there's hope in the head.
I'm excited to see the bottom end.
Yeah, I am too. I'm excited to see the top of the cylinders because I think we might be all right. You gotta put her in the ground.
Yeah, you got.
Give me a quick hug.
That'll all spray off.
It's so gnarly,
That'll all
dude.
spray off. You can brake clean that off.
I don't have any of that.
I know.
Is
But
this
I
water or
guess-
this is like mostly
I
oily
think
water?
under this is
Where's that
good
can of
cylinder wall.
WD-40, dude?
But
Pierce
yeah,
it.
yeah. Pop the pistons out. Just I
Right
mean,
now?
Yeah, dude,
We're
bust
here.
her out, dude.
This is, dude, I'm gonna be here all night.
Buster
This thing's gonna be a this is gonna be a short block by the time we're done, dude.
Dude, that's what Samsquanch said this morning. He's like, you guys are gonna have that thing completely straight. Please.
Try it, I dare you. I dare you. I dare you, dude.
That is some skillful.
Hey, pass me my beer, man.
I'm cranking one off, dude. You wanna see? You guys wanna see? I'll show ya. Cranked it off, dude.
Well, that pretty much wraps her up for today.
We got a good amount of stuff done.
Yeah, we got quite a bit done actually. SR is like
SR's
very torn down.
Pretty much fully stripped.
Almost everything I need off the JZ is off, and
I actually worked on
Michael worked on his car. It was a good
I think
day.
we got a little bit of a plan for Michael's car, maybe.
Hopefully.
Like there's like a direction to move towards, which is sick.
Yeah.
Yeah, not just hating it. Never
Yeah.
mind to look at it.
The lift is still chilling.
Yeah. We'll get the lift going soon. We need to make sure it's okay with our landlords that we put it in first.
We do have enough concrete though.
We do. The slab is big enough to put the lift in, so if the landlords are cool, then we're good. And we should have a lift pretty soon. But we'll see what happens. I hope you guys enjoyed the video. I know it was all over the place and super random, but honestly, I think that's just kind of the way the videos are gonna be. I'm just gonna start filming whatever's going on here, and it's just gonna go on YouTube. So see you guys in the next one. Have a good day, night time, and see ya.
Yeah, dude, subscribe and like, do all the comment. Yeah, dude, leave a dirty comment. Those help the